Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing both devices, unlock the phone, plug in with a certified cable, or enable Wi-Fi/Bluetooth tethering. Once done, allow the computer to access files when the phone prompts. This grants the drivers temporary permission. Make sure you know whether you need MTP, PTP, or tethering for your task, since each mode exposes different functions. If prompted to install drivers, accept them. This is why connections sometimes fail. Now you're ready to move into the transfer, or sync utilities on the computer. Next, you perform the actual transfer or sync. Connect via the chosen mode and open File Explorer or the dedicated sync app. You'll see your phone listed as a device. Once visible, navigate to the folders you need, pictures, documents, or app storage, and drag files or initiate a sync operation. For wireless transfers, pair the devices using the app's QR code or pairing code, and then select the files. Make sure transfers finish before disconnecting. Interrupted writes can corrupt files, so verify completion and safely eject the device. Finally, you complete the process by safely ejecting the device and checking that the files opened correctly on the computer. If something goes wrong, first try simple fixes. Switch the USB port or cable, toggle the phone's USB mode, and restart both devices. These steps resolve most driver handshake issues. If problems persist, reinstall drivers or use an alternate method like Cloud Sync or a wired SD card reader. Remember, one reliable troubleshooting tip is to test with another cable or computer to isolate the fault quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.